My people, now don't hear the latest one. They let us know, say, popular billionaire, where they call Ned Nwoko, where happen to be Regina Daniels' husband, like where Regina happened to be in sixth wife. They let us know, say, the wife number 5, where be Morocco woman. They say the woman right now, she don't answer up. She talk and say, enough is enough. They really talk and say, there is no smoke without fire. I remember say inside sometime last month for year, the way this lady they do it dey obvious say all is not well. When I make the video for my channel for years, some people want chop me raw. I dey tell them say these people, so me they follow them bumper to bumper, like the way I take this swear I be like their social media in-law. Like joke apart, guys, if I carry anything come here now from legit source, now they get am right now. So when the woman so she don't answer up, no be small this matter. So some people they shocked her life, but me myself I no go lie for am, I no surprised for this matter based on say I don't first know waiting the sup right from time. No be say I dey happy say she answer up, no, but they talk am say if you no get peace of mind for somewhere, it is better you carry your head comot, because head wey dey alive na im dey enjoy tomorrow. Abi no be so, my people? Hey, anyway, my correct people, now welcome back to our channel at Maggie Rooks Vlogs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and locations. Thank you so much for tuning in. So my people, I don't come again with this latest. My people, today matter so and finally so Ned Nwoko Morocco wife, wey they call Layla, she let am dey known to the public. She let us know say no be money she dey after, say there is more to money, like money na just minor thing. Like right now so make them no call her Mrs. Nwoko, and anybody wey come her comment section come talk to her anyhow, like she go block the person destiny. My people, this matter so and this matter e get as e be. According to Layla Sha, she write am say, hello guys, I just want to say that no one has the right to talk about my marriage. Please stop talking about people's life, and I have divorced already and nothing between me and him. And anybody follow me because of him, you can unfollow me, please. Like she let us know, see, make people stop to dey talk about her marriage. Say as she dey here so she can't let the public know, say she and Ned Nwoko they know they again. And if anybody just look and say na because of Ned Nwoko, so na im make them follow her, like they fit come unfollow her, like she no care, like she no give a f. She can't even let them know, say any negative comment I will block you. My people, all this drama starts when Regina and Ned, when they carry themselves go Jerusalem, from London to Jerusalem to this to that, and they see every now once they carry the updates come give on her. But before then she let us know, say Ned Nwoko know they give her own rights as the wife. Say for crying out loud, the way their Muslim rights, she not right, I'm not traditional, I'll call her hair, the way they do for Muslims, say that they share everything equal. Say but Ned can't just get one habit, na the small wife for now they pack everything they give. But when she happened to be the last wife before Ned Nwoko marry Regina come the house, like she dey, she dey persuade Ned, like she dey push Ned, make Ned they do everything equal. But when Ned come marry Regina, so Ned of all people no come they do everything equal. In short, her own share self they carry and they give Regina, and she know if it dead there fold and make hunger they beat am. Though they look am say na billionaire na im she marry, not knowing say na just billionaire for mouth. Say Ned no they give her any attention, anything where she asks Ned no go give am. If Ned don't even share some kind thing, it will come be like say na she they'll give the bottom pot where be say no be so it's supposed to be, because for their Muslim religion everybody na the same. That one no finish, my people. Everybody for come know say all is not well. Be say when Regina can't celebrate her birthday, like this lady, so in short and the other wife daughter we see the Instagram, they refuse to wish Regina happy birthday. Now from there, so a lot of people, they can't just go poke nose for inside that, go let them, they can't go ask here waiting they happen. Now from there, they can't let us know, say this lady, so she don't tire for the marriage, say net know they give her joy and anything. My own beliefs for this matter be say I'm not supposed to talk him to favor anybody, but I'll just talk him the way I supposed to talk him. But if you not too like the way I want to explain this, I beg and make you drop your own for the comment section. Feel free. This thing where I want talk so no be say I no like Regina, but the small thing where I hear so now I won't explain for in first before I'll constantly shook my mouth for the small knowledge where I understand for Muslim tradition, for Muslim right ahead. Wetin happen be say inside 2 months ago for year, if I know they mistaken, if you never pass, because I remember say I make the video. We hear one rumor say na so Ned Nwoko so they build one office for himself. And this office so right from time he tell this Morocco woman, say Morocco woman, I go give you one corner you use until they run your things. Based on say Regina don't already get a fashion house. Even before Regina get a fashion house, he don't already plan everything. He don't let this lady know say she go get one small space till they run at if now see her office thing she want they do or anything where she like to they do, where say she like to do, she go get that space. And they feel me so. So lo and behold, now so Ned Nwoko come build the office finish. As Ned come build them, Ned come carry this lady space, so come still carry and give her to Regina. Now from there, this lady come cry out some time ago, say she go do the undoable thing. Say in short, she go burn down everything. People think now just carry the talk. And they feel me so. Wait till I want talk be say I no talk am say Regina supposed to reject gift from my husband. No, make una no look am for that angle. But Regina herself no say Ned, before Ned build that office, he talk am say na Layla go get one space for her own office thing before. No be say he first put Regina before, they will call let her change mouth say because say Regina don't get fashion house. No, he first put this lady, but later on he can't just turn back, can't carry everything, still give Regina, and Regina still collect am. My people, this thing where Regina do so, is it nice? Is it nice? More just talk true. Like, let's be real on this. Because Regina know right from time say her husband so don't already put the wife number 5 and say now she gets this thing before he even build that office so. Then later on, he can't see carry and give Regina. Then Regina can't open, I can't collect her. My people, if now you did that marriage, you go stay, more just dey real. They even talk am say that one so na even small, say a lot come dey happen for that house. Say in short, Ned can't even they do like say she know they exist. Me, I no can't know whether na ordinary eye be this one, because for crying out loud, if Muslim man marry a lot of wife, like just the way I take talk and say I understand Muslim tradition, the Muslim man they treat the wife equally. So last so after Ned Nwoko and Regina can carry themselves go London. Now from there, this woman can just look up, look down. She use her tongue count at it. She know if he just get BP. No be say she they see anything they collect for that marriage. If he don't reach at all, so they won't carry something give her. Before they know anything they happen, they'll call pass and give Regina. Now you can make her just suffer, come out. I be I wanna say this matter. And right now, so when the woman let us know, say she they come out, can give us a lot of things. So no about Ned Nwoko and Regina. Say she ready scatter everywhere. Anyway, if she see come out, can talk more, I go still carry the matter come here. So guys, now the update be that from Regina Daniels' co-wife, where they call Layla. According to her, she let us know, say she don't finally divorce Ned Nwoko. So my people, I go see you again for my next updates. From me to you guys, I say bye-bye. Make una like, make una share. If una never subscribe to my channel, make una help me press that red button and make una say help me press the bell. Una bye-bye.